Hello everyone, welcome back to a very small video, right? So this video is very experimental. I can show you something very interesting. Dear friends, you can see I'm very close to the ground and I can show you something here. Can you identify the small tiny scrape, right? Can you find it, what it could be? So here is a small lump of cake. It was in the morning, okay, some time back. I was taking this one, and unfortunately a slice of cake, or a lump of cake, just slipped down of my mouth, right? Then I dropped it here, right? And after that I decided to put this here, in order to find, or in order to conduct a kind of experiment, right? So I can show you that, after some time, right? I could come across a group of ants, right? You can see a group of ants. They slowly and gradually proceeds to this foot, right? And it took a long time, it nearly 30 or 40 minutes, and I decided to put the foot here, not to just throw it, right? And I put it to use it in a very best way. I know nobody cares about ants, everybody tries to drive them away, okay, by killing, by some drawing different ways, right? Drawings, a kind of Lakshman Rekha is there, right? You do it very often in order to remove the ants. Also a kind of, right? You can see it's a kind of passion, right? So far, very less number of ants have been gathered here, right? All have been swarming around, right, the delicious lump of food. And I'm waiting to discover that how do they come and how they come across the food. So far I can find a very less number of ants have come, and they are coming from the different direction, right? I'm moving my camera here. You can see, and I'm here to find, right, that how do they come, how a kind of discipline line is created, right? Taking the groups of ants, I will show you. So I am putting the video over here for some time, and after some time I will try to trace the route, right? So wait for a moment, I will continue. So hello everybody. So as I was telling you that I'm here to discover or trace the route, that how do these people come, right, from the different direction. I can now show you here. So this is the lump of food, right? And now I can trace the food, trace the line, right? Sorry, trace the line. Where do they come? So you can see this one. Now a very small tiny group of ants is coming in a very disciplined way, and I will show you that. Yeah, you can see this is the tiny group of ants, they are coming, right? And they are in a very disciplined line. I don't suppose that I would able to trace the line properly, because camera quality is not so good, but I can try to trace the line, right? You can see that small line, you can find a very small line. Actually they are afraid of, right? I'm tracing the line. Actually I have already drive this, okay, I have already drive the group one time more already, therefore they are afraid of me, right? You can find a line there, right? A very thin line that is coming approximately 3-4 meters, right? You can see the line, and right, you can see I was typing my question here on the bed, right? Okay, I'm very close to these creatures, the group of creatures you can find. Yeah, I can be very close. Okay, it's a very last day I uploaded a video on stress management. It's also a kind of stress management. You see the how the thin groove is coming, right? Very slowly, a very disciplined, right? A line you can see. Okay, of the ants. So this is what I wanted to show you, and let me go more details into it. Okay, so this is the lump of food, actually, right? You can see the line, you can see the line. So dear friends, so this is how we completed the very small video, and in this video I was trying to tell you that how laborious the creatures are, right? These small tiny groups of uh, ants are very laborious, okay? Or the moment they find any source of food, right, they try to comes into it, they try to search every now and then, and try to collect all their food against a rainy day, against a bad situation, or especially for them bad situation is original rainy day as well. Okay, so you can see here these small creature are very disciplined, and how laborious, how persistence their work, right, in their work. So we can learn here a lot of thing even from the ants, right? That how we can be very disciplined and persistent in our work, right? Regularity in our work, so that we can be better of human being or better of person in our life. So this is the line that goes on, and okay, so soon a colony of right ants created, and in order to search the food, in order to collect the food or drive it with them to their cozy home. This line, right, you can see a line that is very close to my cozy coat. Okay, I'm not trying to disturb them, I'm sitting very close to them. Okay, I'm on the ground and sitting very close to them. If I try to remove from my coat, it will be disturbed, right? So therefore I'm not removing my coat. Okay, let me show you. If I remove it, then they will be disturbed, right? You can see they are very close to the ground, right? They are very close to the coat, they are very close to the coat, so I did not I'm not disturbing all these creatures. So dear guys, okay, ants buddy, you also enjoy your food, take it, I will not disturb it. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you.